Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I am going to show you guys how to install OBS Studio in your Kali Linux operating system. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open your terminal, press CTRL plus ALT plus T at same time. Now type sudo space apt underscore get space install space obs underscore and studio and press enter your password, enter again. Now press Y and enter again. Now OBS Studio is now installing on your system. Please be patient. It take little bit long time. If you are new in my on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my next video. Thanks for watching.